Hello, YouTube. This is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of Transpower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist, and as a systems and mechanical engineer. I also work as a theoretical economist and as an operations researcher. My very first commercial software program is called Optimal Manager, published in 1982. It's an operations research and management science software package of 47 program units. There was nothing like it then. There still isn't like anything like it now. All right, so this is the sign-on screen. 47 program units to optimize your business. So I'm going to hit enter to continue. I've already covered Module 1, the 9 program units of optimal product investment in these screencasts. Currently, we're in Module 2, Optimal Product Manufacturing. Today, I'm going to do Program Unit 2, but eventually we'll get to Module 3, Optimal Product Distribution, and Module 4, Optimal Product Pricing and Advertising. So I'm going to type in 2, II. I'm going to go to Option 2, Optimal Location of a New Plan. Would you like to see the program unit description, yes or no? I'm going to say yes. So here's the description. By the way, there is a printed manual available, but you don't necessarily need it. Originally, the package was $495, including the manual. But we've reduced the price all the way down to $95 for the program unit. We just ship a software download link from Dropbox. You can still get the manual if you want for another $95, but it's really not necessary because, as you can see, there's a description that comes with each program unit and plus all the sample runs. So anyway, let's read this. Optimal location of a new plant. This program unit determines the location of a new plant so as to minimize the distance or cost or time to other facilities of a company. The program unit inputs consist of the number of facilities and the X and Y coordinates of each facility. The program unit outputs consist of the X and Y coordinates for the location of the new plant, which minimize the sum of the distances to the other facilities. Each distance and the sum are printed out. Nonlinear programming with the Hook-Jeeves modified pattern search is used. So all the equations and very, very advanced math are all built into this program Optimal Manager. So it's completely unlike a spreadsheet where you have to put in all the equations. So I'm going to hit C to continue. The prompt below says, do you wish to use data from a disk file? Yes or no? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to go to File 1. I'm going to edit this. Engine plant number 10. It could actually be number 11. Let's see. I'm going to say engine plant. Where's the number sign? Number 11. There are 10 current facilities. And I'm going to accept. Now, we're on input screen 2. There's an offset here because I'm running DOSBox under Windows 64-bit. So DOSBox does not have a config.sys option or file, so I can't put in device equal ANSI-IBM.sys to line everything up. But don't worry, all the output is lined up correctly. So let's edit this and see what we have. So if in doubt, you just read the bottom of the screen. What is the X coordinate of facility 1? Nope, got a phone. I'm just going to shut that off. X coordinate of facility 2, and of course the Y coordinate, and so on all the way down. Here, this is 9. I'm going to say accept. And this continues on the next screen. So the coordinate of facility 10, and we'll accept that. Now at this point, you could save the data. So I'm going to hit S. We'll put it in 1. We'll go output screen only. screen length, and here's the output. And everything's lined up nicely. So we have the optimal location of the new plant, 222 for the X coordinate, 247 for the Y coordinate. By the way, if you have a map, just lay on X and Y coordinates on your map, and then put the data in, and then the program will do everything else for you. By the way, you could also use this if you have a club and you want to choose the optimal location for a meeting of the club. You would put in the X and Y coordinates of each member, the house of each member, let's say, and then the program will compute the optimal meeting location, so that the total distance traveled is minimized. Alright, so I'm going to hit enter. And so the sum of the distances is 883.88. So that's the smallest number. It's the optimal solution. Now at this point, you can rerun the program unit. You can exit to the module menu, or you can print the results again. So I'm just going to exit, and we're back to the main module screen here. So this program is available from transpowercorp.com. It's available from amazon.com. Of course, we provide free phone and email support for the life of the product, which means basically forever. Once you have the optimal solution, it's optimal forever. You don't have to worry that this program is ever going to go obsolete. So that's one of the advantages of a decision support software optimization set of programs. It's always going to give you the best possible answer. Alright, well, that's enough for today. Next week we'll continue with optimal product manufacture. And, take a look at our other screencasts too on optimal product investments so far. See what you like. Again, it's only $95. I mean, it's so reasonable now. I mean, just a couple of runs of the program units should pay for itself. Alright, well, thanks for your attention, and bye for now.